Hello guys, welcome to this course. In this lesson, I'm going to discuss how to add point in audio to level the audio up somewhere and to level the audio down which you want to like. So to up and down the volume of an audio, first of all, we have increase it by pressing Alt and scrolling the mouse up. After that, so if we insert a keyframe here and little bit audio up. After that, and we'll decrease the audio. So we have to level up here, so we'll increase it here. We'll decrease the level here again. So level the audio up here. So by this way we can add audio point, add a point for the audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. We can volume up or volume down in an audio track. Also, we can use a pen tool here. Suppose we add a point here and add a point here. We want to go down to this level, and if we want to up here, add a point here, and down here to add a point here. We can use the pen tools to add the point or delete the point here. We can also make a curve here by the pen tool. To delete any point, we'll just select the point and delete. This will delete any point. So that's it for this lesson. We'll meet up with a new topic in next lesson. Thank you for today.